Hi guys, it's Joe PC Repairs 101 and today I'm going to be unboxing this new gaming chair. So I thought if I'm going to start up the YouTube and get it going properly, then I need a decent gaming chair. So what I've done is I've gone and ordered this one on Amazon Prime. You can see it in the background just here on the TV. It's the JL Comfurni, whatever you want to call it. The reason I picked this one is it's one of the most reviewed gaming chairs out there. So when it comes to the racing style chairs, this is the most reviewed and popular gaming chair on Amazon Prime UK or Amazon UK. I personally purchased it off Prime. It comes with free delivery regardless, and it's only $89.99. So let's see if it's as good as the value is. So yeah, I'll unbox it all and then we'll see what we've got and how long it takes to assemble it. And then we'll go and see if it's comfy and if it's a yes or a no from me. So this is the kit all laid out. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts within the box. Everything's packaged nice and well. Seems good so far. Everything seems good quality. It's even got a little VIP membership card, which seems to be printed quite well for a budget chair, and it's also got a little card, so see if it's got any money in it. I have no idea what this is, but we'll see what the JL Comfurni company offers. So this is the assembly instructions. So not very exciting for the nice envelope, but hey ho, it's definitely better than just supplying it without the envelope. That's a nice little extra, I guess. So as I'm a guy, obviously, I'm not going to use the instructions. We're going to just try and fit it by hand. So take it as it comes, see what happens. Obviously, the magics of YouTube, I'm going to do a speed up, so you don't have to sit here and watch it in real time. So yeah, I'll assemble it and we'll record the time and see how long it takes to assemble it. So I've just finished assembling it. Took about, I think it was about 32 minutes and something. So that was me assembling it, not very fast, that was just me doing it properly. It was pretty easy to do actually, surprisingly. I've done a few PC chairs in my past and this is probably the easiest one I've actually done. There was a few little niggly bits. I did end up having to refer to the instructions. I didn't want to be stubborn, just thought just do the instructions. The instructions are very straightforward. They're all in very good English with the photos attached on each level of the instructions. There wasn't much to it. Yeah, so I fitted it. The overall feel of the chair is, I mean, it's not amazing to be honest. I'm kind of disappointed with the feel with the arms. So if you can see, you've got the armchair arms here. They're not actually attached to the back of the chair. They're just on their own and they're just hard plastic. They're a bit flimsy, a bit wobbly, but to be honest, they are comfortable. I'm just a bit disappointed with the build quality on there. The rest of it though, the actual sitting is extremely comfortable. The headrest is at the perfect spot for the neck. The gaming chair style, or the racing style of the chair fits the shoulders nicely. I've got quite broad shoulders, but it actually fits quite nicely. The lever to go backwards and forwards, so get it in the shot, goes all the way back and all the way forward. Bit cheap on the plastic covers here, but then again, now I'm sitting on it compared to the assembly, it's not actually too bad. And then we've got the lever which goes up and down. so that's got a nice height. I'm 6'2", and my feet are just about touching the floor now, and then obviously you can lower it. So all in all, this is actually, for the price, it does have its downsides. For example, the arms are very disappointing in my eyes. Regarding the style of them, usually with the more expensive ones, they kind of fit to the side of the chair through like a lever, so you can tilt it back and they're not so flimsy. But other than that, other than the arms aspect, easy to assemble, really cheap for what it's worth. It was $89.99, you can see in the background here. So $89.99 with free delivery off Amazon. Usually chairs this sort of style, etc., you're looking at least £120, so you're saving at least £40 on this chair compared to other ones, and you can tell that they really haven't cut the costs on it. So unlike a lot of other chairs, I've ended up spending over £140 on chairs before, and they've been terrible, and you can tell that they've just put a high markup rather than bringing you quality. Whereas you can tell with a chair like this, other than the arms of course, or the style of the arms I'd say, they have actually built this quite well, and they have obviously put the costs into the manufacturing to bring a really good product, which is obviously why it's got currently 491 reviews on Amazon at 3.5 stars. Which, to be honest, if I was to rate this, I would probably, I mean, I haven't sat on it for hours, but I can imagine it'll be just as comfy after the hours. It's got the lumbar support here as well, which you can move up and down. So I would probably give this a 4 out of 5 stars. So unfortunately, the arms are the one thing that lets it down with the 1 star, but I mean, great value for money, extremely comfortable. It was easy to assemble, so just over 30 minutes, and that wasn't me rushing, that was just me doing it properly. And it has tilting. The neck is extremely comfortable actually. So yeah, lock-ins. Seems nice and sturdy. The plastic base seems extremely hard plastic. So I think this is one for the keep. So that's the review of the JL Comfurni, I'm never going to remember that, Comfurni gaming chair that I'm sitting on right now. So, like I said before, if you like my video, give it a like. If you like my YouTube channel, give it a subscribe. If you don't like it, give it a dislike and tell me why. If you've got this particular chair yourself, tell us why you like it. If you have any questions, feel free to message below. I'll get back to you. But yeah, check out the YouTube channel. So basically, my name's Joe. I've got this YouTube page, PC Repairs 101. So I've been doing repairs on computers, desktops, Macs, etc. for 9 years now, professionally, 9 years. I've got a shop local in a local town, a port town in Suffolk, the United Kingdom. I've been running that shop now for 2 years. It is extremely successful, which is great. So what I'm just going to do basically is just kind of bring the knowledge that I've learned over the years to you guys. I'll be doing everything from strip downs on particular models of laptops and desktops. I'll be doing unboxings of certain products, for example like this gaming chair. So I'll be doing unboxings mainly from Amazon because Amazon are awesome. I'll be doing giving advice, for example, how to remove malicious software off your laptop or computer, how to update your drivers, as well as lots of little niche issues that you might get, specific issues, for example, specific corruption within the operating system, and just little things like how to clean up your computer, how to upgrade it, etc. But along with these disassembly videos on specific laptops, because I know it's extremely handy to have a strip down video next to you if you're not entirely too confident on stripping a laptop. So yeah, give the YouTube a like, a subscribe, give us a like, keep an eye out for more videos. I'll be releasing hopefully at least one video a week. So yeah, thanks guys.